Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you from its new time slot of 4 p.m. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now that all the YouTube stuff's out of the way, let's get into today's video. This is a cocktail known as a cherry bomb. It starts off with you adding 1 liter of your favorite lemon lime soda. Think 7-Up or Sprite or whatever. And then we want to add the juice of 1 lime. And then we want to add 4 ounces of grenadine. Make sure you get all the grenadine in there. And then 4 ounces of rum. I'm using Captain Morgan in this case. Then grab a spoon, give this a little stir. Alright, then you just want to grab yourself a glass filled with ice and pour yourself a drink. And this drink is meant to be more for like a group than one person. Perfect for a pool party. But that's Cherry Bomb. Done.